Hey guys, what's up? We're here opening another Donruss blaster box. Got it from Walmart. It retails for just under $30, like 27 and some change. You get a total of, what is it, 11? Let's take a look at the box here. What is it? You get 11 packs, 8 cards in each pack. You get like one holo rookie, and you get a mem card of a rookie in there with their rookie sweater. So let's go ahead and get right into this. Of course, we are chasing the rookie quarterbacks now that they are in their NFL jerseys. So Curtis Samuel, Josh Jacobs, a card stuck together, a Darnell Savage, and there we go, first pack, the rookies foil Mac Jones. There we go. That is a great start. There's the back looking at the card. There's a great start to this box though. And then our rookie was Ben Scorin. Oh God, I don't know. I've never heard of the guy in my life, for being honest. All right, moving on to the next pack. A phenomenal start. Let me make sure, get him where he's not going to get damaged. Phenomenal start. We got a Stephon Gilmore, Marquise Brown, Peyton Manning, Taylor Heineke, Jonathan Taylor, let's get this. There's a kid reporter if anyone wants that. L'Jarius Sneed, an Aaron Donald, and an Anthony Schwartz rated rookie. That pile. Alright, this feels like a thick pack. This seems like it might be our mem cards in here. Give you guys a look at what the rookie memorabilia card looks like. Yep, you guys can see it's that super thick card. Yeah, Justin Tucker, Randy Moss, Ryan Tannehill, Barry Sanders. Hope you guys can see all right. Russell Wilson. And Amari Cooper. Let's see what we got for our mem. A Keen. Nah, I don't even want to try. I can say I do not know who that is. Waganu. He doesn't even have his position on here. I couldn't even tell you guys what position he plays, but there's his little sweater part. And then we got a rookie Penny Sewell. There's Kid Porter. So moving on to the next. We got a Harrison Smith, Deshaun Watson, Mike Vrabel, Adrian Peterson, Travis Kelce, Kyler Murray, a bronze rated rookie. I couldn't tell you. I'm kind of new to this product, so I don't know. Portrait rated rookie. Cornell Powell. He's a Chief. So that's a good start. Caleb Farley. See, now this one doesn't say portrait, so yeah, so I believe that is the portrait variation for that rated rookie. Right, moving on to the next pack, we got a throwback Sean Alexander. We have a Drew Lock, a Taysom Hill, Christian McCaffrey, getting him back this week for fantasy football. Very, very excited about that. We got a Jalen Ramsey, a Adam Thielen, and Marvin Jones, and a rated rookie Kenny Nwaganu. So there's the Marvin, and there's the Kenny. Alright, so we got about, after this one, we'll have 5 packs left, so we did hit that rookie quarterback right away, so that was exciting. Jimmy Garoppolo, Odell, Matt Ryan, a second-year Justin Herbert, a Taysom Hill, Laviska Shenault. We got something here. We got a Power Formula Travis Kelce, and then we got a rated rookie Noah Gray. I saw the red and I was a little excited. Thought maybe we pulled out a Trey Lance, but that's okay. Still got a good amount of packs left here. We got a Mike Evans to start off this pack, a Darren Waller, a George Kittle, Michael Thomas, DeAndre Swift, a Chase Claypool, a Christian McCaffrey again, and then we got a Jamar Jefferson, rookie for the Lions. Alright, coming down to the last 3 packs here. So like I said, this was retail, blaster box at Walmart. You can find it for about $27 and some loose change. Myles Garrett, Cooper Kupp, Julio Jones, Terry Bradshaw, Aaron Rodgers, and it looks like we got our optic rated rookie. Oh, it's a Niner. I don't think that's Trey Lance though. Yep. Nope. So there's the Big Ben, and then that is our optic hollow Elijah Mitchell. So unfortunately not a quarterback, but a skill position, so that's pretty good. And he's been doing all right this year. I think he's like 5th in yards per carry, so that is that's an all right pull. And then a Mac Jones rookie right behind him. Wouldn't have been mad if the card in front of him was Mac Jones, but hey, we will never complain about a rookie quarterback, even if it's base. All right, so let's make sure we get this open. So we got a Travis Fulgham, Allen Robinson, John Bostic, Philip Lindsay, a Dak Prescott, a Quinnen Williams, DeAndre Swift, and a Kenneth Gainwell rookie. He actually just got hurt. I was expecting him to step up and fill in for Miles Sanders, and then he went down too, so. All right, there's a Kids Reporter. We got a Dallas Goedert, Akeem Hicks, Phillip Rivers, Ryan Fitzpatrick, Carson Wentz, another second-year Justin Herbert, Aaron Jones, and our rated rookie is Gary Brightwell. There's the Jones, and there's the Gary Brightwell. So here we go, final pack. I want to thank you guys for tuning in, checking us out. Hit the like button, subscribe, it really helps us out. Just starting this channel off, so appreciate all the love you guys can show. Comment down in below something you'd like to see, any questions, anything like that. I do have a couple more of these boxes left if anyone's interested. Hit me up. And yeah, so here we go. George Kittle, DeMarcus Lawrence, and our rated rookie to end it is a Jet, but it's Elijah Moore. So like I said, thank you guys. Hit the follow, subscribe. Appreciate it. You guys have a great rest of your day.